There we go. That's easy. Okay, that's it through. You see it?
I saw it shift, yeah.
Okay. Keep going all the way because it's going to go past the crossbow. Okay, it's all the way in. Okay. Sean.
Yeah.
You throw like over on it. Wire. You got those 3 clamps off.
3 clamps are off.
Okay. That's off.
Check.
Twist on this here?
Yeah. Push at the same time as you push and twist the gear.
Oh, so you're gonna pull the last side back.
No. When you translate forward, when you translate forward, this gear. It'll twist on its own. Twist.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna rotate on that forward turn. You're clean the shit out.
Keep it up.
And the whole time we keep it 90 degrees. And we push it in at the same time we rotate on the forward trunnion.
Okay.
And we drop the aft trunnion into a little pocket that's in there. And then from there it just slides back off of it. Right out. That's what we're going to attempt anyway.
Okay, you're gonna have to go down a bit. Down. Going down here. Right up.
You're fine. You're fine.
How's the top look?
Top's clear.
You want to come forward then? You want to come on board?
Come forward. Okay.
Whoa.
We can
Start. We can start.
start going back in there.
Okay. Move the arm and pull
And
it
then
up.
eventually we'll have to come down a little bit with it on the back.
Okay. What's the top, man?
There we go. Slide off.
Okay, careful.
How far do you want to go back? As much as we can?
Yeah, just get out.
Oh, that's as far as it's gonna go on this side, the bracket's there.
Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna push it forward and rotate the gear again.
See on the back or clear that back?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, we're clear. We're gonna a couple centimeters.
Slide it again.
Back? Yeah. Okay, that's good. That's it.
Okay, it's about ready to pop off that trunnion pin now. I can see it.
Come down and touch.
Touch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on then. Bring it low. Yeah, you're. Yeah, it's nothing on it. Okay.
Okay. There you go.
Okay, we're up. Okay, we clear to come down anyway?
Hold on. Go this way.
Yeah.
Whoa. Where's our forward trunnion? Okay, there.
Yeah.
Come down straight.
Coming down. That's 3 inches. Can you tilt the whole thing like that? Yeah. Wait, what?
Like that. Why don't you actually go down quite a few more inches?
Yeah, go down.
It's pretty slick.
Go down. I go almost horizontal now. I see that.
Feather the pedal and you can get it to go just behind you a little bit.
for like 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah. That's with the. Sorry.
I have like 12 minutes recorded. I took
I took the
you know,
arrows
the tongue
off,
and I'm going to
Greg?
take that bracket off.
Yeah.